Cardio workout. Are you looking for a cardio workout routine? Here's a sample cardio workout that you can try. Warm up. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light jogging, marching in place, or jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and warm up your muscles. Cardio exercises. Cool down. Finish your cardio workout with 5 to 10 minutes of slow walking or light jogging, followed by stretching exercises to help your muscles recover and prevent soreness. Remember to listen to your body and modify the intensity or duration of exercises based on your fitness level. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program. Enjoy your cardio workout and have fun while getting your heart pumping. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.